Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, we're in Adobe Firefly, in particular, Firefly Image 2. It's in beta at the moment, it's coming out. And this video, basically, I'm going to pronounce the death of stock photography. Literally, nobody will ever have to pay for another stock photo where you get like 3 photos for $3,000 or whatever the heck those people over there at the stock sites were charging. It's over. Officially. Here we go. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we go. I'm in firefly.adobe.com. So I'm in the Firefly Image 2. And let me just show you a few examples. Here is a stock of a female working late at her desk in a corporate office. It gave us 4 cracks at it. This one is pretty good. This one is great, especially look, they've got the right number of fingers. That one's pretty good. This one's fantastic. Of course, it's from behind. But there you go. There's just a few examples. I've got tons more here. Here's a stock photo of a male professor teaching at a university class. And I mean, look at this. This is just fantastic how good these are. This guy looks like a real person, other than maybe that one little index finger might need a little shortening. Not sure there. Well, that's not so bad. Standing at a blackboard teaching. I mean, if we go in, look at just the detail and the wrinkles in the suit. This is crazy, and I'm just showing you multiple examples, but we can go ahead, and this one here is an old couple celebrating a birthday with champagne and cake. And you'll also notice here that I've uploaded my own image for generative match. So if you have your own photo and you want to, make a stock style in comparison, or you want to make something similar to something you've already got. Another example, this one is also a Labradoodle eating an ice cream cone. I mean, this is really, really good stuff. That tongue might be it's a smidgen too long, but you can work on it. And this one here is pretty much perfect. Look at just the detail in the fur. I mean, just lovely. And then here, I'll just give you 1 or 2 more examples. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, well, there you go. We got a puppy in a heart-shaped box. Anyways, how do you do it? Let's just go. Firefly.adobe.com is all you need to do. And let's just move this over here. And then when you're on this page, you will need to sign in. Now, it is currently free to use with a limit as to the number of credits. I'm not sure what the current limit is. But if you have an Adobe account, an active account, like, for example, you're a Creative Cloud subscriber, you have unlimited generation, so that may change in November. Anyways, the next step here is click on text to image. And when you do that, you're going to get some default stuff here. Hey, that's not so bad, but it's a little bit highly stylized. Here we go. Type in down here under the prompt. I'm going to go, I don't know, what's a good stock image? Let's go with teenager playing video games late at night. Something like that. I mean, I'm just going to do a basic one, but you can, of course, go nuts and do whatever you want. You click generate. Your first generation is not going to be correct, and this is where it gets a little weird. I got to show you the techniques. I'm just going to quickly generate this, and it's not as quick as I'd like. Come on, Adobe. Here we go. All right. Actually, this is actually a little bit better than I expected. Let's see what we got here. Not bad. Not bad. Pretty good. Got the right number. Look at the fingers. They've got fingers correct. And pretty good, but not perfect. What we want is we want visual. We want it to be photorealistic. So here we go. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the visual intensity down to 0. Basically, I'm removing it. When you do this, now I'm going to click generate, and watch this. This is basically getting rid of any stylization. And in its current format, this is pretty cool. So this is the right way to do it. This may change in the future, but we've removed the stylization. And now if we take a quick look, this is pretty good. Her facial expressions are pretty good. This is another shot from the back. Okay, not bad. Okay, I could use that. It's got a little bit of depth of field in there. And of course, we can continue to refresh it. Now, keep in mind, if you have a photo that you want to use as a reference, this is called Generative Match, and you can click on Reference Image Gallery right here. And then you can either upload your own photo, or you can scroll through it and use other people's photos or pre-generated photos that they've got already. So you'll see some under dramatic lighting, photo studio, photo manipulation, textures, etc., etc. I'm not going to use any of those, but I did want you to be aware of it. Okay, good. Now let's just go back. I'm going to go ahead and close that up here. And actually, let me show you how to do it. If you wanted to drag and drop in a photo, just click on Reference Image Gallery, click on Upload Your New Image, and just grab an image. So I've got a picture of my dog here. Let's go with that. Okay, whatever, who cares? And then it will go ahead and it'll check it. And of course, this has nothing to do with the type of photo I'm trying to make, but this is the technique. Okay, let's go back here. So if we go down a little more here, again, we want to eliminate stock photos and stock images. We don't want to pay for them anymore. Look at this. We get some effects here. So here are some of the default effects. Bokeh effect. These are a little bit too much. I would actually go down a little further here and then take a look at these ones here. Color and tone. So if you want to select a type of style, like you want a black and white photo instead of a normal one, or you want bluish, cool, golden, which is more of like an action movie type style. And there are many, many different types here. Tone, image, vibrant colors, etc. Warm tone. You want that golden type look. It's all there too. The same thing goes for lighting. So if I wanted this to be dramatically lit, for example, I just click on it. I'm going to click on generate, and then we'll create a whole new set, and we're going to have it with this big, amazing, beautiful puppy dog as the style reference. How good is that, right? So this could get a little weird, not going to lie, but hey, let's have some fun. So let's see what we get here. Okay, we got some weird stuff, but hey, I'll take it. You know what? I guess the colors of the dog got into the colors of the shirts here, and let's see what we got. That's a very believable picture. Not bad. Not bad. The hair is a little bit messy up at the top there. Very believable. Nice look, nice colors. I like it. There you go. So there's just some more examples. And then finally, you can change the composition. So if you want it to be a close-up shot or a shallow depth of field, shot from above, below, surface detail. All of these are available to make stock photos. And last but not least, look at this. Not only that, I'm on Twitter here, but one of the Twitter users even mentions that they thought that, look, they can even do perfect ethnicity. So this lady is Indian, and she made some Indian shots. And look at this. This is AI generated. This one's not so good. But look at this. This is pretty much a perfectly lit stock photo, if this is what you were going for. And it's got the ethnicities down pat. This is amazing stuff. Those are the tools. That's how you do it.